if you're not familiar with light therapy, there's several things that they can do. Number one, this pink one is that it can do like beauty enhancement, such as anti-aging, different stuff like that. There's also acne treatment, and then there's also pain relief. So these are the three things that LED light can do for you, specifically light therapy. So this used to be only done in like spas, medical spas and stuff like that, but now is that you can actually do it within the comfort of your own home. So that's what this is. So we're gonna check it out and see what's inside. So something that's really unique to Poly is that it can come with heads that you can change out. What I got is the beauty and the pain relief one, and it also, another thing is that it's actually cordless, so you can charge it and then basically carry it around and then change out the heads as you go. So that's something that's very, very different than all the other LED light light therapy devices that I've tried. Ooh, and this is pretty high quality too. You know, to protect your eyes when you're doing the light therapy.